This is how we change the Frizzlife water filters. First, make sure you turn off the water source. This is very important. Then unscrew the filter holder container for the correct filter. Empty the water and dry the filter, and then use the tool that comes with the Frizzlife system to open the bottom of the filter holder. Remove the dirty filter. Look how dirty that one is. Take off the plastic wrapping of the new filter, and you're going to insert it upside down with the bottom piece to the opening, like so. And then you're going to screw the cover back on and tighten it. This is the filter that you need to change every 3 to 6 months. The middle filters every 6 to 12 months, and the last filters every 12 to 18 months. Now just put it back into place and tighten it. Make sure it's all secure, and then turn the water source back on.